Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day and I'm here bringing you something very different. Oh, I wouldn't say different. I'm here with another collaboration. If I can talk, that'd be great. And it is with the company Teami. So I had an option to choose of what I would like to do, and I mean with the whole COVID-19 thing and we're all stuck in our homes and probably not eating the best, they sent me the 30-day detox. So I chose the 30-day detox with these guys. They are a company where they specialize in health and like lifestyle wellness. So they have a whole bunch of face products as well as teas that the face products obviously help with your skin, and the tea products obviously help with your insides and projecting that healthiness to your outside, because that's what tea's for. Tea's really good for you. And I chose the 30-day detox because I've been having a lot of digestive system problems, and I've been needing a detox. And you can buy a lot of detox stuff like your powders or your liquids, but they're not always the greatest. Tea, I find, is the best detox because it's all natural, you know what's in it and you know what's going to help you, whereas a lot of the liquids that you can get have a whole bunch of additives, and they also have a strict diet plan that you have to follow, whereas tea is pretty simple and you can almost go about your normal day, everyday food, but it just helps with fixing up your gut microbiome. Or I would say it just helps reset that, and then you can go on and fix your gut microbiome with a whole bunch of probiotics and prebiotics. So what I got was so it comes with the tumbler, which is I guess a tea flask, and you put your tea in there obviously, and then your tea seeps through, which is really cool. It's it's got like a little screw bottom as well, you can put your stuff in it too. And I chose the colour green because green and purple is my colour. But yeah, so it comes with the detox comes with a tumbler, which is a tea flask, which you can take on the go, which is great. And then also a little tea steeper as well that you can put into your mugs and your cups to have tea at home. And it's silicone as well, which is great. And then with that, it also comes with the bottom where you just sit on there to drain. Oh, that's adorable. And it's got a little leaf on it too. That's adorable. So the 30-day detox plan, you get the card and then you get your 2 bags of tea that go with it. So I've got the Colon, which is a 15 tea bag, and then I've got the Skinny tea, which is loose leaf tea. Oh, and even like the Colon tea bags, there's 15 in the packet, is very much a natural. You can tell like the real ingredients in it. So with the 30-day detox plan, it comes on the back with what you need to follow. It has a morning and night schedule and what teas you need to have on which days and when you need to have them. So you take the Skinny tea in the morning, and then you take the Colon tea in the evening. And so the Skinny tea, which is what you drink every morning before breakfast, it boosts your metabolism and raises your energy and suppresses your cravings naturally. And then you can reuse your tea. Normally you can reuse your tea leaves. You can you reuse your Skinny tea leaves 1 to 3 times daily by adding more hot water to your tumbler. And then with that, you want to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day, which is really good. And then with the Colon one, you drink that one before bed, starting on day 2 of your detox program. You steep it for 1 to 3 minutes and then remove it from your mug obviously, and you can continuously increase the steep time gradually based on your body, and then the longer you let it steep, the more toxins you will remove from your body. That's really good. But I like how it literally encourages you to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. So literally, when it comes to detoxes, you are very much encouraged to drink more water to help remove the toxins from your body. And a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people, when it comes to detox plans, you're supposed to limit what you eat, and that's pretty much it, and then take the detox, whatever it is that you're having. But this one is very much just increasing your water so you can remove all of those toxins and keep yourself hydrated to help remove those toxins while the tea does its thing, and you can still follow your diet plan as well. And that's really good. And then, so what these include, so the colon tea has hawthorn berry extract, senna leaf and root, hawthorn berry extract, lotus leaf, lime leaf and extract, psyllium husks, Phacelia calyptra seed, rhubarb root, Poreo stem bark and valerian root. And these all have plant-based caffeine, which help with flushing you out, if you know what I mean. And it just comes in the little bags like that. And then our skinny tea, oh, I already know what it has in it. It has yerba mate, oolong tea, yep, geogulum, lotus leaf, lime leaf extract, ginger root and rhubarb root. Yep, and it comes in the loop leaf bag as well. I'm so excited to try these guys out. So excited to try 30-day detox out. Detox. 30-day detox. Yeah. I'm actually really excited to try these out. Like, this is so cute. I want to say a big thank you to Teami for setting me up with this. So I have a discount code and it is Pagan25 at the moment in time. So if you are looking to, you know, switch over to teas and cut back from caffeine, or looking to help reset your body and just looking for an alternative for drinks that will help you keep you hydrated, I definitely recommend going for the teas that they have. Or if you're looking to brighten up your skin, you know, try a new skin routine out, definitely try them out as well. So use my discount code Pagan25 for the 25% off. That'll be amazing. And yeah, I will say these guys, when it comes to detoxes, I'm not going to say that they're going to help you lose weight or boost your metabolism or, you know, remove everything from your body. They're just a good way to help kickstart a healthy lifestyle, change over from, you know, your soft drinks, your sugary drinks, your caffeinated drinks. It's a healthy alternative for flavored water, as well as to boost your hydration and get some more water into your system to help. Literally, water fixes everything. Water helps clear toxins from your body, and that's a given fact. Also helps hydrate you and rejuvenate you and give you glowing skin. So literally, that's all I'm saying. These guys are all natural products, all organic tea, all loose leaf tea. Literally has all the ingredients in it that help your body out, and I'm actually super excited to document how the 30-day detox goes throughout this little isolation day that we're going. A good thing that they're currently doing in the COVID-19, I'm just reading it off my email right now because they just literally send it through to me. So what they are doing, they want to provide some light and positivity during this time of the COVID-19 outbreak. So for the next 30 days, every order that is made on the Teami Blends website, no matter how big or small you spend, they will donate $1, which is equal to 10 meals to Feeding America. They are an American brand. Unfortunately not Australia charity, but it will go to at least some sort of charity, which is Feeding America. And every time you guys order, you are providing 10 meals to those who need help during these desperate times. And their goal is currently to send out 150,000 meals. So if you use my discount code Pagan25, you get 25% off with what you purchase, and then every $1 goes to helping feed people who cannot afford to feed themselves currently right now. Me! So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I'm going to say a big thank you to Teami for sending me the 30-day detox plan with their tumbler. I'm super excited to try that out. I haven't done a detox in a very, very long time, and it'll be awesome to see what happens. See how my body reacts. Also get me back into tea. Help me cut back on coffee and actually drink more water. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with how that goes. Make sure you use my discount code Pagan25 to join me on this detox. Join me on it, and also anything else. They do have a whole bunch, like a variety of different things, so it'll be interesting to see what you guys get. Don't forget to also subscribe to my OnlyFans to help me out and get exclusive content with that. And also follow my social medias. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to help donate, go down to my PayPal, that's in the description below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay homeless, guys. Bye. bye.